YouTube post viral now. Get 10 million views fast. Appearing in your Shorts feed. Start posting now.
Wait. Something very strange is happening on YouTube right now. Many creators woke up today and suddenly saw thousands of views on a simple community post. Not a video, not a short, just a post. And guess where it was appearing? Inside the Shorts feed. Yes, you heard that right. A simple YouTube post showing inside Shorts scrolling feed, just like a viral short video. Some creators are getting 10K, 100K impressions without uploading any video. So the question is this a new algorithm trick? Is it a new feature by YouTube? Or is it something most creators still don't know about? Today in this video, I will reveal what is this new YouTube Posts feature, how posts are appearing in Shorts feed, whether it increases subscribers, reach, and watch hours, how monetization considers posts, step-by-step method to create viral YouTube posts with music. And trust me, if you are a small creator, this feature can become your secret growth weapon. So watch this video till the end, because I will also show you exact steps to create posts with music that get massive reach. And if you love learning real YouTube growth strategies, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Hello creators, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, I always try to provide authentic information without any misinformation. Because during my own YouTube journey, I trusted many misguided people and wrong information, and that created a lot of challenges. That's why my only mission is to help creators avoid those mistakes. But I need your support in this journey. So please keep supporting and shower your love. It means a lot to me. Now let's understand the new YouTube Posts update. What is the new YouTube Post feature? Earlier on YouTube, community posts were simple. Text polls, images, GIFs, and they were only visible inside the Community tab or in subscribers' feeds. But now something interesting is happening. YouTube has started experimenting with showing posts inside the Shorts feed, which means when people scroll Shorts, they may see creator posts in between videos. This dramatically increases post visibility and impressions. What is different from previous community posts? Earlier, only subscribers could see posts easily, limited reach, no viral potential. Now, posts may appear in Shorts discovery feed, reach non-subscribers, higher engagement potential, quick audience interaction. This makes posts a powerful audience engagement tool. Is this applicable for all posts? Right now, the answer is not always. YouTube algorithm decides engagement, relevance, creator activity, audience behavior, posts that usually perform better, image posts, poll posts, question posts, meme-style posts. Low-quality posts usually won't appear in Shorts feed. Benefits of YouTube posts. Here are some major benefits. 1. Increased channel reach. Posts can reach new audiences who never saw your channel. 2. Increased subscribers. When people interact with posts, they often visit the channel and subscribe. 3. Audience engagement. You can build a loyal community. 4. Faster algorithm signals more engagement. Stronger algorithm signals. Does it increase watch hours? Indirectly, yes. Posts themselves do not generate watch hours, but they can drive traffic to videos, increase video views, improve session time, which eventually increases watch hours. How monetization considers YouTube posts. For YouTube Partner Program, posts themselves do not count as monetizable content, but they help indirectly drive traffic to videos, increase channel engagement, improve subscriber growth, which helps you qualify for 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, or 10 Shorts views. Step-by-step guide to create YouTube post with music. Here's the exact process. Step 1. Open YouTube app. Step 2. Tap Create Successful button. Step 3. Select Post. Step 4. Add content. Image, GIF, poll, text. Step 5. Add music. New feature rolling out. Choose trending sound. Step 6. Write engaging caption. Example: which video should I upload next? Step 7. Add emojis and call to action. Step 8. Click Post. Now YouTube will start testing your post with audience. How to make posts go viral. Use these strategies. Strategy 1. Ask engaging questions. Strategy 2. Use curiosity. Example. Creators are making a big mistake. Guess what? Strategy 3. Use images. Image posts get higher engagement. Strategy 4. Use polls. Polls increase interaction rate. Pros and cons. Pros. Quick engagement. Easy to create. Helps build community. Increases reach. Cons. Does not generate direct revenue. Overposting may reduce engagement. Low-quality posts hurt algorithm signals. My honest advice to creators. Use posts strategically. Best posting schedule. 2 posts per day, maximum. Mix polls and images. Ask questions to audience. This keeps your community active and engaged. Before ending the video, I want to say something important. I always try to provide authentic content without misinformation. Because in my journey, I trusted many wrong people and misleading information, and it created many problems. My mission is simple: to help creators avoid those mistakes and grow faster. But I need your support in this journey, so please, like the video, comment your question, share with other creators. Subscribe to the channel, and keep showering your love. It truly means a lot to me. See you in the next video.